Good morning, dear students. How are you all today? I hope you all must be fine and enjoying your online classes. Students, do not go outside and stay safely at home. Today, in our science class, we are going to start a new chapter, chapter 8 Wind, Storms, and Cyclones. My dear student, the very first question may come in your mind that what is air and how air changes into wind. Air is a mixture of gases which is present all around us. Air occupies space and exerts pressure, whereas wind is the flow of air on a large scale. Wind are commonly classified by their speed, the types of forces, region in which they occur, and their effect. As I told you earlier, that air exerts pressure, but one can ask, how, sir? Air exerts pressure can be understood by many examples. Let's see one. Tube of bicycle gets inflated when air is filled in it. This happens because air exerts pressure. It is difficult to move the bicycle against the direction of wind. Have you experienced this? Yes. Similarly, a sailor feels it difficult to sail his boat against the direction of wind. This happens because air exerts pressure.